It's been weeks since we had any rain. Look at all the leaves on the driveway. Fall is coming. Can you believe it? Oh, there's so much to do. Where are my cats? I didn't realize it was going to come a storm while I was gone. Oh, my peppers are going to be so happy. See if we can go find some kitties on the front porch. Hey, everybody. Oh, I just got home and oh, this smells so incredible. I went to that market I told you about where all the food is from local producers, and I just want to show you what I got. Oh, I just got a whiff of that basil. It is over the moon. I haven't had any fresh Italian basil in such a long time, and I just got back from Darrell's. You're going to be seeing that video. We did a medicinal plants video, and you have that to look forward to. And I just wanted to give you a little update because I've been so busy. I had company, you know, I had my cousin and his wife here, and so just take a look at what all I got. Now, the farmer who started the market is Jim Stockton, and so he has his meat and cheese and other things there. And so I bought some bacon ends. I've never bought bacon ends, but it just looked like the perfect thing to throw in to a pot of beans. So I got a couple of those. These are frozen. They need to go in the freezer right away. And this is a leg quarter. So I think it's basically 2 legs and 2 thighs chicken. And this is Taylor Family Farm. And in here I have fresh lettuce from Spring Oak Farm. The main reason I went was for the pimento cheese. The Stockton Farms pimento cheese is so good. Now, there was no regular bread. This is Noble Springs Dairy, Herbes de Provence. I love goat cheese. And they didn't have any mozzarella, so I'll be eating goat cheese with my, and this is Cherry Berry Chev. So they've blended cherries with goat cheese. That sounded wonderful. And this is to go with my lettuce. I'm going to make I can't even tell you how long it's been since I had a salad. And I'm going to be using these purple Vienna kohlrabi sprouts. I never had those, and I just thought that's got to be fantastic with the lettuce and the goat cheese and my cherry tomatoes. I've got eggs from, let's see, I don't know if there's a name on this one, this family farm. There's no name. Sorry, can't promote you. There's no name. In here I have 2 big things of basil. I'm going to put these in water right away. She said keep them on the counter, and they may root if I pinch them back. So we'll see. I just want some basil so badly. So, oh, that smells so wonderful. My goodness. And here we have, this is focaccia from Maker Baker Bread, Jim Bryant. And so I'm going to be having my pimento cheese, and later I'll have a salad. I got only 1 bottle because I have a lot of kombucha. Short Mountain Cultures, Cherry Vanilla Water Kefir, and more eggs. These I wanted to try 2 different farms. This is Flowers Farm organic eggs, and I got some Asian pears. because I didn't grow any pears or apples this year, and I thought, wow, that would be great in a salad. And of course, dessert, killer brownie. I mean, you gotta love it, right? Okay, so as you can see, I drove in a rainstorm, and it has been dry as a bone. I haven't watered anything, which is shocking because last year I had to do a lot of watering. I should have been watering. Now, I had a little help on Tuesday, and Randy did some watering, thankfully. But this weekend, hopefully this is not it. It looks like it's almost gone. But let's go out and see if we can find some cats on the front porch, because I'm hoping they took shelter there. I was gone filming over at Darrell's, everything was shut up. And so we're gonna check on the cats. I'm gonna put all this away, and then I'm gonna sit down and eat. I just saw one of them jump off of a chair, but I have a feeling, you know, yeah, stopped raining and they took off. Kitties! Kitties! There they come. Come on. Hi, BJ. Hi. Mommy's home. Come on, Spot. Where's Tiger? Where's Patch? Patch! Here's Tiger. Come on, Tiger. Yeah, that's Tiger. That's BJ right there. Hi, BJ. Were you guys good? I'm glad you took shelter on the porch. Hi. I didn't know it was going to rain. Hi, Tiger. Come on, Spot. I don't know why he's not coming. I saw him. Where's Patch? Where's Patch? Oh, you're wet. You got wet. You got wet. So the sun is out, but I don't think it's over. You can see it's like smoke moving down there. That's wild. That's the first time I've seen that. Oh, I'm so thrilled we got some rain. Okay, I'm wasting no time getting myself some tomatoes for lunch. These are the blueberry cherry, and they absolutely are so juicy and melt in your mouth, and they need to be eaten desperately. Ugh. The hand is not big enough for the amount that I want. Oh, come back. Oh, oh well. Okay. I tell you, it is so life-affirming to go into a market like that. And I actually was at the counter saying hello to Jim, who started it. And a woman was standing there, and she goes, "Kaye, hi!" I did not remember immediately who it was. I said, "Please just remind me." I do, you know, see a number of people. It would be helpful if you just went ahead and told me how we know each other. So it turns out, before I even had any clue about moving back to Tennessee, if you're new to my channel, by the way, I grew up here, I was educated, and then I left for about 40 years, and now I'm back. And I was always in apartments, or for the last 25 years, I had a house in the Palisades in Los Angeles, and I had a tiny little garden, and now I have a lot of space, and I have tried to develop large gardens. And it's challenging. I am learning, and I really hope to be able to do a video that talks about, you know, what I would do differently, and what, you know, what I'm going to do differently next year, what worked, what didn't work, and all of that. Because I think that would be helpful, especially for people, if you're like me, you know, and you haven't made the big move like I have, but you're wanting to, you know, it's still in your dream, it's on your bucket list, you know. My bucket list at this point, now that I'm here, is just to get organized. That's People want to go, people want to jump out of airplanes and travel the world. I just want to get organized. If I was organized, I would just be so happy. Anyway, so where was I? Yes, I was said hello to by this young, beautiful woman, naturally beautiful woman, and turns out she was the gal who was working for Jeff Poppin, who I knew about, and I made the trip up to his farm a few years ago and it was actually a slideshow. I did a couple of slideshows in the beginning when I first started editing my own videos, and that was one of them. Because not knowing what, he knew I was coming, but not knowing what it was like and everything, she drove me around the farm, and I took stills and I made it into a slideshow. And I'll put the link right up there because he has some really good things to say. So here's my basil. It smells so good. Why I did not manage to grow Italian Genovese basil this year, I don't know, but I didn't. So now I'm just going to, let's see, I have to put the frozen stuff away, but I'm gonna get myself make myself a sandwich of the pimento cheese with the bread. Okay, and pimento cheese. I'm going to use this later. And put this in the freezer. Okay, I'm going to have some of my own cabbage slaw fermented. And I've got my cherry tomatoes. Let's get this bread cut. Oh, I need to wash that basil. This pimento cheese is so good. So here are pieces of lettuce and basil. And somehow I'm going to cram all that into my mouth. I waved at him. Okay, what a feast. Wow. This is awesome. I probably can't eat it all, but that's okay. Whew. Big day. You know, I just had company here. They only stayed one night, but you know, the whole morning that they arrived, I was cleaning because my house gets to be so filthy. And then we were just antique shopping. We had lunch out. It was just great having family here. Family is everything. And if you don't have actual family members still living, you know, then your friends are like family too, you know. So, had a great time over at Darrell's. I should have completely cut this, and I also need a napkin. You know, you always think, I do, I have everything I need. I have more than I need, you know. But you know what I don't have? I don't have placemats. If I manage to bring them here, they never surfaced. So, wow. It's the first time I've had basil with pimento cheese. And you can taste that sriracha. It's hot. I'm probably doing double duty here with fermented slaw and, well, this is actually kefir, but you know, that has probiotic or prebiotic, whichever. I'm trying to do intermittent fasting and just have one big meal a day. So now it's about 3 o'clock and this is my first meal. And boy, is it good. And I am having dessert. Anyway, thank you so much for being a part of my life here on the homestead. I hope I've inspired you in some way to try living like this. At least you don't have to do it as gung-ho as I'm doing it, but at least try to be self-sufficient so that gives you confidence if we do have a power outage or whatever, that you'll be fine. You can take care of yourself. Just make sure you have the basics, and it's just a huge load off your mind. And if you're interested in this lifestyle and my channel, I hope you will consider subscribing. And many videos are about gardening. Some videos are in the kitchen, but although my kitchen, as you see, is a dungeon, one little window, it's so dark in there, but I'm going to try to alleviate that for this winter. I think I'm getting some lighting put in the ceiling, so that should help. Anyway, thank you so much, and God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Wow. I need a napkin.